video is not sponsored. Hello Barbies! Welcome back yet to another video. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted me to do baby blue hair or like pink hair, and most people, about like 60%, voted for pink. So I'm going to dye my hair pink, obviously by the title of this video. What I'm going to be using today to dye my hair are the Manic Fleurs du Mal cream tone. This is their new line, I believe, and it's like pastel colors, which I'm really into. The reviews I see online, they're kind of like wishy-washy. Some are really dark and some are really light. So I hope this turns out well. I'm just gonna start with exactly one container. I bought two just in case I run out. I did cut my hair like just a couple inches shorter because my hair is like dying and everything, but my hair is pretty blonde. You do want to use this on pre-lightened hair because there's no way around it. So I'm gonna start with the back of my hair just because it's the hardest and I want that to process the longest because I don't want my, like, you know, my head up here to be darker than the bottom of my hair. So yeah, I'll open it. I got a little bit in my mouth. This is weird. I've never ever used one of these before. This is my first time coloring my hair ever. So I'm kind of freaked out, but it doesn't smell horrible. It kind of smells like rubber. The real reason why I'm using Manic is because it's supposed to be like healthier for your hair. It's like made out of vegetables supposedly. So yeah, healthy hair. I'm just gonna grab some with my hand and just lob it all over my hair. Again, this is not a professional video, so yeah. Baby, come help me.
You don't expect
Alright, now that the back is done, I'm gonna section it some more. These parts are obviously gonna stay orange. I hope it doesn't, but let's just expect the worst.
You want a pink highlighter?
Huh?
I got a pink highlighter.
Shut the fuck up. To like the littlest bit, I actually fitted 2 containers with my hair. I was really scared that 2 containers was not going to be enough for my hair because I have a lot of hair. Now that my hair is fully colored, I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair for about 1 hour to an hour and 20 minutes. And while I wait, I'm just gonna eat and do my makeup and get ready to go out because it is a Saturday night. But yeah, okay, so it's been about 1 hour. Now I'm just gonna go wash my hair with some cold water And yeah, let's go see the result. That was the coldest shower I've ever taken. Oh my god. My hair is so cold. Oh, my hair is totally pink. Ah! Overall, my hair is really pink, except for like the parts I told you, like it's gonna turn out like a copper pink, and that is exactly what happened. Overall, I'm super happy. I'm gonna go dry my hair, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Okay, Barbies, this is the finished hair look. I absolutely love it. I was wishing for it to be a more pale color, but obviously it'll fade into the color I want after a couple washes, so I'm not too worried about that. My hair is a little wet still, but you can already tell what the colors are gonna be. I'm honestly super excited to wear this hair out. Like, new year, new me, right? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something new about Manic Panic and dyeing your hair pink. Also, this is not a professional video, so don't forget that. Okay, Barbies, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and comment down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
Stop music.